Autumn Test 9. Listen carefully to the instructions I am going to give you. When I have finished reading them, your teacher will stop the recording and answer any questions. You will not be able to ask any questions once the test has begun. I am going to ask you 10 questions. On your sheet, there is an answer box for each question. Work out the answer to the question in your head and write the answer in the answer box. For some of the questions, there is information in the answer box to help you. I will read each question twice. Listen carefully both times. You will then have time to work out an answer. If you cannot work out an answer, put a cross in the answer box. If you make a mistake, cross out the wrong answer and write the correct one next to it. There are some easy and some harder questions, so do not be put off if you cannot answer a question. Your teacher will now stop the recording and answer any questions. Now we are ready to start the test. You have 10 seconds to work out each answer and write it down. Question 1. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the digit 7. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the digit 7. Question 2. What is 3 add 3? What is 3 add 3? Question 3. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the animal that is second. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the animal that is second. Question 4. Take 1 away from 4. Take 1 away from 4. Question 5. Look at your answer sheet. Tick the circle. Look at your answer sheet. Tick the circle. Question 6. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the £1 coin. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the £1 coin. Question 7. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the 2 numbers that together make 5. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the 2 numbers that together make 5. Question 8. Draw 7 circles. Draw 7 circles. Question 9. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the equipment you would use to measure a line. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the equipment you would use to measure a line. Question 10. Write the sign that means add. Write the sign that means add. Now put down your pen or pencil. The test is finished.
So boys and girls, we're going to mark our answers together. So you might want to get a crayon or a coloured pencil so that you can mark it. Number 1, you should have circled the answer 7. And if you did that, give yourself a tick. Number 2, 3 add 3 is 6. Give yourself a tick if you got that answer right. For number 3, you should have circled the bat. And again, give yourself a tick if you got that right. Number 4, take 1 away from 4. Just another way of saying, what is the number that comes before 4? And the answer is 3. Question number 5. You should have put a tick beside the circle. Number 6, wanted you to look at the £1 coin. So if you've circled this coin, the one that has the number word 1 on it, then well done. Number 7, you had to circle the 2 numbers that make 5. So when you add 4 and add on 1, you get 5. So 4 and 1 should have been the 2 numbers that you circled. For number 8, all you had to do was draw some circles. So if you've got 7, so check by counting them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you've got that right, give yourself a big tick. For number 9, you had to circle the right piece of equipment. What would you use to measure a line? Would you use the measuring jug, a ruler, some bathroom scales, or some kitchen scales? What would you use to measure a line? Great, if you circled the ruler, well done. And then your last question, you had to draw the sign or the symbol that means add. So if it looks like this, boys and girls, give yourself a big tick. Okay, afterwards, boys and girls, I would like you to count up all your ticks and then colour in the number of how many you got right. So if you got 5 right, you would colour in 5. If you got 8, colour in 8. And feel free to share your answers with your teacher.